everybody. Today I'm going to be making some salmon bowls with the food that I got from Aldi. Aldi is a cheese store that I have found, and it really has saved the day as inflation takes over. Puts us all out of budget. I'm always looking for ways to save. So I decided London wanted some salmon today, and she was insisting that I had made this bowl or this salmon dish with red chilies, and I really don't recall. So I'm gonna try to make something for her that's similar. A lot of times I don't remember the recipes that I come up with. So now that I have my jalapeno chopped up here, I'm going to slice up some onion. Actually, I'm gonna dice it because don't make fun of how I dice my onions. Okay. Just gonna make like a slaw. Garlic is always good. These are only $3 there too. The already peeled garlic. This garlic's gonna be for the salmon. I'm gonna mince it up really nice. Thankfully, the mango is going to be soaking in some dressing because it is not as ripe as I would like it to be. So you can see the mango has a really big seed, and I've taken all of the flesh off of the seed that I can get, and I'm just going to dice these up and add them to what I've already chopped up. Okay, and now we're gonna add our baby cucumbers. So I'm just gonna take off the edges of these and pop them in, slice in half. These are gonna be so cute. These make some good pickling cucumbers. Okay, I guess it's kind of like a bibimbap. Okay, now to my chopped ingredients, I'm gonna add some green cabbage and carrots. Normally, I prefer to use purple cabbage for this slaw when I make it, but Aldi didn't have it in stock. They just don't know. They are missing out. Purple cabbage is amazing. I like it steamed, fried, it doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this up because I want it mixed well. Then I'm gonna create my dressing for this. Wait till you see what it is. So there's carrots, mango, cucumber, jalapeno, cilantro, red onion, a cute little slaw that's gonna go on top of our salmon rice bowls. Okay, so now for our dressing, we're gonna go in with some honey. And you wanna be generous with the honey because it's something about the sweet taste with the acid that I'm gonna add to this. It just makes it so good. And that's all the honey I'm getting out of there. I'm gonna go in with some olive oil, of course. gonna go in with apple cider vinegar. We're gonna drizzle that in. I don't measure, so boom. There we go. And that's your dressing. No need to whip it. Just stir it up. Stir it up. And as the mangoes sit in with this acid and oil, the flavors are going to be combined and taste absolutely great. Okay, now we have our smaller piece of salmon, and I started before I was recording, but you can just rip the skin off. That's what I'm going to do because I don't like it unless it's super crispy, and I don't plan on doing anything special. So this one is a little bit thinner, but I'm gonna just cut it off like that because I need all my meat. And then for these parts, we're going to cube them. I think a nice cube on the bowl would be great. Lovely. Just gonna make some big squares out of these and put them in my bowl to marinate. Okay, so I've added my garlic to my chopped salmon. And because I don't have any sesame oil, we're just gonna do jerk salmon. I think it'll be really good over the rice with the slaw I made. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's my jerk seasoning. I made my own jerk seasoning so it'll be easier for me. Let me get some oil. I like a little bit of oil because it helps it to stick. I like, you know, it to be like marinated really good, as Kate say. So I'm going to take a couple of spoons of this jerk seasoning, put it all over, and mix up really, really nice. Okay, for our jerk, we want to always add a little bit of browning, baby. Okay, that's where we get that dark color that we oh so love so much. And then I'm gonna add some soy sauce to this. Just give it a little marinade go. And stir. Look at that fish, looking good. Nicely seasoned. So that is a done deal. Look at that. I'm gonna take this over to the stove and sear it. Allow these to cook on all sides. And I'm gonna start cooking my rice. See you soon. Okay guys, I've started my rice. You know the deal. It's a fingertip deep from the surface of the rice, and you're gonna allow it to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes.
I must say the salmon is good in the flavor.
Thank you, Mom. I told you it was good. Salmon is delicious.